वो ये अगैग को लेके आता है प्रेजेंस ऑफ गॉड में, एंड सैमुअल और उसके बच्चे पूरा मजा कर रहे थे कि देखो हमने इसको कैप्चर किया है, अगैग का राजा। देखो डिमोनिक था वो। सॉल सॉल क्या करता है, वो सबको मारता है पर वो एक को नहीं मारता। वो किंग को मारता नहीं है, अगैग है उसका नाम, अगैग। बोलता है मैं इसको ऐसे स्लो डेथ दूंगा, टॉर्चर करूँगा। इवन दो सैमुअल ने बोला था सबको मार के आ, बट ही डिसाइडेड टू ब्रिंग एन अनहोली पर्सन इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ गॉड। सैमुअल को आता है गुस्सा, फिर सैमुअल क्या करता है, उसको जाता है उससे बात करते हैं, फिर वो मैड हो जाता है। देखो सॉल, वो ये टाइम पे होता है। सी एंड वेट, Samuel said to Saul, I will not return to you, for you have rejected the word of the Lord, and the Lord has rejected you from being the king of Israel. Then Samuel says, Bring Agag, king of Amalekites, here to me. So Agag came to him cautiously, and Agag said, Surely the bitterness of death is past. But Samuel said, As your sword has made women childless, so shall your mother be childless among women. And Samuel hacked Agag in pieces before the Lord in Gilgal. Samuel. Then Samuel went back to Ramah, and Saul went to the house at Gibeah of Saul. And Samuel went no more to see Saul until the day of his death. Nevertheless, Samuel mourned for Saul, and the Lord regretted that he made Saul over Israel, Saul king over Israel. Now God anoints David as king. अभी वापस ढूंढो ढूंढो कौन राजा बनेगा. Then the Lord said to Samuel, How long will you mourn for Saul? Seeing I have rejected him for reigning over Israel, fill your horn with oil and go. For I am sending you to Jesse the Bethlehemite, for I have provided myself a king among his sons. सॉल के लिए बोला कोई तो आएगा. सी there's a difference. When someone is from people, they have to go. Okay, they have to go to be chosen. Like Saul had to come to Samuel, but when someone is chosen, people will come to them. So yeah, correct. So then Samuel went to David, but Saul came to Samuel. There is a difference. So Lord says you go, but for Samuel he will come. There's a difference, right? So, and Samuel says, how can I go? If Saul hears it, he will kill me. And the Lord said, take a heifer with you. बापरे, heifer का क्या अभी? Heifer with you and say I have come to sacrifice to the Lord. भी heifer अभी नहीं मिला अब तक, तो take a heifer with you, बोल मैं sacrifice करने जा रहा हूँ. Then invite Jesse to the sacrifice, and I will show you what you should do, and you anoint for me one I name to you. So Samuel did what the Lord said, go to Bethlehem. And elders of the town trembled at his coming, saying, Do you come peaceably? अभी तो मार के आया वो आगग को मर्डर, पीस में आ रहा है ना, हमें कुछ किया करने आ रहे हैं, मारने आ रहे हैं क्या? So he said, Peaceably I have come to sacrifice to the Lord. Sanctify yourselves and come with me to the sacrifice. Then he invited Jesse and his sons and invited them to the sacrifice. So it was when they came that they looked at Eliab and said, Surely the Lord anointed is before him. अभी सबसे लंबा सबसे हैंडसम रहेगा उसके लिए, this one. But the Lord said to Samuel, Do not look at his appearance or at his height or at his stature, because I have refused him. For the Lord does not see man as men see. देखो कितना मस्त है. For the law,